Hi, this is Frida. In this video, I'm going to talk about the relationship between STEM and socialization. Based on the readings, one of the research shows that 50 years ago, less than 1% of students joined scientists as female, but in the past decade, more than half have done so. The trend in how children perceive scientists parallels an increase in the number of female scientists. However, as the girls grow up, they become more likely to join scientists as men. At age 6, girls join 70% of scientists as women, but this proportion flips around ages 10 to 11, and by 16, they draw around 75% of scientists as men. And these statistics are very accurate because this is my sketch of the scientist that I think they should look like. A senior white male dressed in a lab coat with his glasses on. So, my question is, what changed the girl's mind and even mine? Before answering the question, let's talk about what classifies male and female. And the first two terms we think of would be sex and gender. Sex refers to the biological or genetic markers that are used to categorize us into female and male bodies. However, gender, on the other hand, is what it means to have that body in a given culture. Gender refers to the roles, behaviors, and expectation our culture assigns to those markers, and those markers create gender stereotypes. Gender stereotypes of scientists not only shape girls' and boys' perceptions of who is a scientist, but also influence their perception of who can be a scientist. So now we can answer the question. Children behave themselves as the society expects, and this social expectations is formed from socialization, which is the process of learning the meanings and the practices that enable us to make sense of and behave appropriately in that culture. Therefore, socialization strengthens the idea of how should I behave. At the same time, it reinforces the gender stereotypes and finally influences the children to think, how should a scientist look like as they grow up? And thank you for watching.